What's up, guys? It's your boy OG Rag, about showing off my RC four-wheel drive 4Runner, and I had to give it its first run. It took me all of 45 minutes to realize a 2200 milliamp wasn't going to fit underneath this gorgeous body, and under that beautiful engine compartment is a Hobbywing Fusion Pro 1200 KV. Got the Yoda 2 axles, factory 1.7 rims, 1.7 inch beadlock rims, and it's about 8 o'clock here in Richmond, Virginia. Home from work, get its first run in. Also got the fender liners in there, which definitely added to getting that body on there. I had to finagle that body around them fender liners, and of course this has leaf springs on it, front and rear. I had to get a leaf sprung rig. Get the doors closed up, get some run footage in. See, it don't give us much flex. The leaf spring's pretty tight. I did remove the middle leaf. Back isn't too bad. And this is his first time in the dirt. Let's see if we can get over small backyard obstacles here. Fusion is awesome. I didn't even run it with the brush setup. I went straight in out the box to the Fusion SE. Headed for this wood pile. Now this lower red balance, I call it, under the front bumper was optional. I did put that on. I'm sure that did hurt our approach angle, maybe a little bit, but it looked so cool, it didn't matter. Now the center differential does hang pretty low on this. I did see an upgrade on the website to pick it up a couple millimeters. I ain't gonna worry about that right now. And I'm sure I don't have much time. I'm running this on a 1300 milliamp battery on a storage charge. Like I say, I really hate to run this, see what it's capable of. Not as bad as I predicted it would be. Like I said, I did do some on the bench tuning on it. Just took out the center leaf spring in. Get it at that angle. Put more of an angle on it. See if I can get up. Nice. Got a good little amount of articulation on it. I think it'll be much better once it breaks in a little bit. We're gonna see what we can do with this one. I'm guessing this is about 4 inches off the ground. Put it right at the grill of this, so I just put that log there to try to get the front wheel started. See if it'll pull up. Work. And these RC 4-wheel drive 4.7-inch tires feel great. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get out of here before this battery's down. Notice a little grittiness feel on the front axle when I took everything apart to Loctite. I'm gonna try to let's see if I need to shim that. Definitely gonna have to dry this. That center def gonna be a real problem. But alright guys, please like and subscribe. I'm sure you'll see some real world running footage of this thing real soon. Guys talking about hitting Belle Isle to dry rocks again. Guess it's been a while, it's about time. Take a different rig. And I got another rig coming, as well as another Winnebago build coming soon. So please like and subscribe. Check out the link for my Amazon store in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.